Hello guys, I will be teaching you how to add a door lock sound to your decompiled. It's gonna be like a thing that's kind of sounds like a Baldi's Basics Plus, but it will work. So what you're gonna do is in my description, you might you might click on it. You might see Get Banana, and it says how to add a swinging door lock sound to your deco, which means it says decompiled. So let's get in the video. Okay, what you're gonna do is open your project, whatever. If you're like testing something or whatever, what we're gonna do is click on door out, edit script, the swinging doors script until this one shows up. Okay, what you're gonna do is don't copy this. I don't know. I just did that myself. Probably for a token, but it doesn't really matter. Copy this. Like all clip, odd, lock sound. So you're gonna copy that. We're gonna go to your Microsoft Studio. Do Enter, Control V. Okay. After that, you're gonna download the sound. It will take you to this. Okay. Download. After you're done downloading, what you're gonna do is right click, import new assets. This, them, and this. Yep. I already have it, so I don't need it. Okay. What are you gonna do? Is if you import the sound, it says go back to swinging door script and buy Plutly lock door float time. Put the script. So this is gonna play one shot. Whatever you lock by the yellow door lock. This gonna play the sound. So you're gonna copy this. I just figured it out myself. It just takes me like 20 minutes to figure out like how you do a swinging door lock sound. Okay, after that, the example would be this, kind of like this. So what you're gonna do, scroll till you find public door lock door full time. You're gonna do this, enter, Control V. This is an example. So you're gonna click save. Okay. Wait until it loads. Make sure you don't get any errors. I think you probably think it works on every version of the decompile. So yeah. Okay, what are you gonna search up? For hash hashery? Yeah, it's like hard to say. You're gonna look up door out, copy underscore door out. Because your project. Click this. Do Control V till you see this. But if you don't want to, if you're confused just because of the door script, here I help you. Select the yellow door until you see all swinging doors. And don't forget about this one too. And what you're gonna do control, select all of them off the door outs. And when you see this, you will have a odd door sound. So like this over here. Okay, whatever you're done, it says number 7. Select all of the. Okay, after number 8, it says test the game and get it a door lock and lock it until the sound plays. And after that, you're gonna actually test it. So if you want some extra time,
Hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
here make sure so you don't want to turn off NPC, turn off music players while you're playing on Unity. And what you're gonna do, since the players, all the NPCs, all for your speed at 50, so you can have so much more time while I'm playing. Don't actually do it if you're not playing on the editor game. Just do it if you're on editor play. So what you're gonna do is collect
Now
the
it's
book.
time.
Just do all the time. Go until you get the yellow door lock unlock by clicking through the books. You're gonna go to this hallway to school faculty only. Collect the yellow door lock and lock it. See? It fully works. The script is kind of made by me. Yeah, it is. It actually works on every door. So that's it. That's it. That's very it. It's like a very easy. It's like beginner. Your difficulty is beginner and still works. You don't need like open code to fix your errors, or else it is. See, there's no such thing as errors. No errors. It works. So that's it, guys. That's it. See you later, and bye.